Good morning. We kind of just woke up, like, about an hour ago.
An hour, and this is still what we look like.
Yeah. So that's why we look like this. We're not party, so.
Not a hippie either.
Here's our Supernote project. Love note.
I can't do it for it.
Yeah. Can we start that over?
Yeah. You're not on your ex.
Good morning! Yes, we know we look like crap. We only woke up
Just what's right.
about an hour ago. So, here's our Supernote.
There's a P and then there's a nut. Peanut.
Peanut.
Say it nicer.
Peanut.